Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Messenger theme option not showing or working. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So first step is you need to open Play Store and search your Messenger and update your Messenger application. Once you done that, that option will be shown to you. But if that option not shown, then you need to go into your apps from the settings and select on the app list and search for the messenger. Once you search for the messenger, you simply need to go and click on the, and here you need to click on the storage and cache, and then you need to click on clear cache and clear storage, and after that restart your phone. If that option still not work for you, then you need to wait for few days, because this option is roll out in some countries and some countries have not option of theme change, so you need to wait for that. So by following these steps you can easily fix messenger theme not working. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.